Alright everyone, we're having nachos tonight using Tostitos original chips. Taco seasoning, we're doing 3 pounds of beef, so I use 3 packs of these, 1 pack per pound. Some salsa. My hubby likes the salsa. I like this one with the chunks of tomato in it. And then we got the fresh tomato, vine ripe tomatoes I got chopped up already. Diced up in a bowl. Nacho cheese, sour cream. These are the 3 packs of seasoning so I can show you. Some lettuce, and I got the kids some lemonade. Let me guide you along. All I did was use 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion. I put it in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm frying it on the stove. I'm gonna bring you over here and show you. Here's the meat and the garlic and onion. Saute the onion and garlic, and then put the meat in there, brown it. Browned, and add your seasoning. Three-fourths cup of water for each pack. I just do it by eye once you cook it so many times. Mix it in, let it sit. After you let it fry for a minute, bring it to a boil and let it marinate for a couple minutes. Get the flavor in the beef. And I just got a little cup of water. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil, let it marinate. I got the nacho cheese over here on real low. This pan. Keep stirring it, keep it on real low, or you can put some a pot of water underneath it so you don't burn it, but just keep an eye on your cheese. Let me finish this meat. I'll show you what it looks like when the meat is marinated, sitting and marinating. I'll bring it right back. Alright everyone, the meat is done. A little light orange color to it. Brown. Smells really good in here. You like nacho, you should try this, and then use some liquid cheese instead of melted cheese. You can use melted or, but this cheese is nice and warm. Get the plates ready, and I'll show you the plates. Alright everyone, here's the ending result. I got chips, cheese, meat, sour cream, lettuce, tomato, onion, garlic. There's our 4 kids. 4 kids, hubby and mine. Thank you, like, share, subscribe. You should really try because they're delicious. God bless.